Well, everybody is putting the mount on my bike. And for whatever reason, decided it's a good idea to tighten it down too much and snap it off. Dang, now I gotta figure out what to do. Complete fail. Alright, as you can see, this is about as even as I can get them to one another. They're both mounted next to each other. Unfortunately, they have to stay the same mount because I broke the other one. I didn't want to use so many pieces in between, but now they have equal amount of stuff in between. I think we got them pretty good. Alright, let's take it for a ride and see how she turns out. Okay, so that was hard mounted onto handlebars on a little electric scooter. Well, that won't work. I don't like that either. What's up, everybody? So I was reviewing the video footage from my first test comparing the iSteadyPro versus the Karma grip. The handlebar mount, I was not so sure if it was just the mounts that were making it so shaky. I decided I'm going to put them both on the chesty to help with the motion and the shake. It's not hard mounted to anything without suspension, so I'm hoping that helps in the comparison. Did not expect to see what I saw. Now we're going to try them handheld next to each other.